Welcome to the Virgin Islands Things for Sale or Trade platform. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create an account and log in, so you can start listing your ads. To begin, click on the menu bar located at the top right corner of the screen. Let's get started. Next, click the Login tab located on the left side of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Since you don't have an account yet, select the Sign Up tab to create a new account. Now, create a username and enter a valid email address. Make sure it is an active email as you will need it to verify your account. Once you've filled in these details, click the Register button. Once you've clicked Register, you should see a success message. Please check your email for a password reset link. This may take a few minutes, as our admin manually sends the reset email to ensure only valid users access our platform. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. The email should look like this. Click the link provided to create your password. This will complete your account setup and allow you to start listing your ads. Now return to the main website and click the top right menu bar. Select the Login tab. This time, enter your username or email along with your new password to log into your account. After logging in, you can hit the Sell Now button. Choose the appropriate category for your ad, general, property, or automotive, to start creating your listing. Users can now fill out the ad submission form. Once you've completed the form, click List Anyway and wait for your ad to be approved. It's that simple. Happy selling and have a blessed day.